Franz, can you give me the box over there?
This one?
Yes, but be careful.
Sure.
Alright.
Oh, wow, it's super heavy.
Yeah. Oh, I told you to
sorry.
be careful.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's
I
okay.
didn't mean to, but it's
No, no,
really
no.
heavy.
Franz!
Okay.
Those are really explosive chemicals in there, okay? You need to be careful.
There's chemicals in there?
Yeah.
Can you open up, please, then? I'm a bit scared.
Okay. Okay, thank God they're well protected.
Some pulp. Wow.
Okay, wow.
All dry and safe.
Very good.
This is super heavy. This is 4-liter bottles, yeah?
That was close though. Next time you need to be careful.
Let's see the bottom part.
Wow, okay.
Really, nothing happened.
Very good.
Okay, thank you, Ava. See you next time.
See you. Bye.
Bye.